This is Doc on the Westerdam, halfway through our 28-day cruise from Singapore to Tokyo. The beginning of the cruise was marked with nothing but frustration as I tried to get logged in and stay logged in to the Navigator app and to stay logged into the Wi-Fi and switch my Wi-Fi between devices. I am normally able to switch between the devices I want to use the Wi-Fi on, from my phone to my iPad to my MacBook Pro. And I have never had trouble staying logged into Navigator. Once I logged in, it never asked me to do a login again. Several trips to the special desk they had set up to help passengers with the Navigator app resulted in nothing more than frustration of waiting in long lines and not being able to get the help I needed. I did a ChatGPT search of this problem, found some answers there, and then was lucky to run into a young guy at the main guest services desk that was able to help me finally solve the problem. I think this problem stemmed from a combination of a phone upgrade we did to iPhone 16 Pros and to updating both my iPad and MacBook to the latest version of the operating systems. I think all Apple product users have experienced similar things to this when an update of the software results in favorite apps not working for a period of time or permanently. I think that was the source of this problem.
Well, we're back from our cruise, and now it's time to put the video together about the Navigator and Wi-Fi issues I had at the beginning of the cruise. I'm going to start by showing you how to log into the Navigator app on your iPhone. I recommend you do this prior to leaving for your cruise, as this will provide time to troubleshoot any problems you have logging in. And by being logged into the Navigator app in advance, when you arrive at your cruise ship, you'll have access to the digital boarding pass inside the Navigator app. Okay, let's get started. On your phone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type in Holland America. You'll see that the Navigator app comes up as one of the options. Click on this and download it. Once it's downloaded, open it up, and you'll see that you can log in using your Holland America login information. Your username can either be your email address associated with your account or your Mariner number. So now you're all logged into the Navigator app and have access to your digital boarding pass. Once you get on board your fabulous Holland America ship, it's time to get logged into the Wi-Fi and get set for your cruise. Let's show you how to do this inside the Navigator app. The first step is to open Settings on your phone and then turn your phone to airplane mode. Once you've done this, you need to go and select the ship's guest Wi-Fi. In this case, it was labeled as Westerdam Guest. To solve the Wi-Fi connection issues I had at the beginning of the cruise, I had to make some changes to the settings on my devices. On both my iPhone and my iPad, I turned off both the VPN and the private Wi-Fi addresses. Here's where to find them. For the VPN, open your Settings app and select General. Scroll down till you see VPN and Device Settings. Select it and make sure the VPN is turned off. To find the private Wi-Fi address setting, open your Settings app, touch on your Wi-Fi. To the right of the Wi-Fi name, you'll see an eye in a little circle. This is the information button. Touch this and then scroll down to find private Wi-Fi addresses. Select it and make sure it's turned off. Now you're all set to hook up to the ship's Wi-Fi. Here's how to do it inside the Navigator app. Open the Navigator app and touch the menu button in the bottom right corner. This screen will come up. Touch Connect to Internet and then put in your stateroom number and your birthday. When this screen comes up, select Connect Now and away you go. If you are switching between devices, you'll get this screen. Select Connect this device and it will automatically switch your Wi-Fi from the device you were hooked up to this one. So there you go. I hope this helps you in getting hooked up to the ship's Wi-Fi on your next Holland America cruise. You can look for my next cruise video in a few weeks once I get a chance to put all the footage together from our recent, just completed Far East cruise. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you next time.